Hi class, today we have another lesson in Unit 2. This is found in 2-8, multiplication of 2 digits by 2-digit area model. So our goal for today is I will multiply two digits by 2 digits numbers using an area model. So our area model example for 55 times 3, so we would write the bigger number in expanded form across the top, so 50 plus 5, and then we would have 3 along the side, and then we would draw a line whenever we have our addition sign, and we just multiply the two numbers and put it inside. So 3 times 50 is 150, and then 3 times 5 is 15, and then I would add 150 plus 15 equals 165. So that's a simple, basic area model. We're going to expand it today. So we have no new vocab, just that example. So our steps are really similar to the last one. It's circle the greater factor. Second step is write the greater factor in expanded form. And draw the area model proportionally. That means where there's plus signs. Remember, we like to have our finger gaps. And then step 4, write each equation in the corresponding place value. Oh, I skipped 3. Write the smaller factor. And when I'm saying smaller, I mean less or lesser factor in expanded form on the outer side of the area model. Step 4, write each equation in the corresponding place value selection and find the product. When you multiply, you find a product for each. So this is a product of these two numbers. This is a product of these two numbers. And then step 5, you're going to add the products to solve. Okay, I'm getting out my red pen, so you're going to stop. You're going to watch. Okay, I have two numbers, 72 times 43. Circle the greater factor. They're both the same number of digits, but this one has a greater value. So we're going to circle that one, and I'm going to write that one in expanded form across the top. So 70 plus 2, and notice how I have the spaces. And then I'm going to write the smaller or less factor in expanded form along the outer side of the left. So 40 plus 3, and again we have to give it space. So now I'm going to draw my box, and I'm going to draw my line because I see a plus sign, and then I have another line, so I need to draw another line, and then I'm going to write each equation in the corresponding place value. So 40 times 70 goes in this one. So 40 times 70. And then I need to find the product. So 4 times 7 is 28. And I have 2 zeros. Now I have 40 times 2. And that would be 8 because 2 times 4 is 8. And then 1 0, so 80. And then 3 times 70, 3 times 7 is 21, and 1 0, so 210, and then 3 times 2 is 6. Okay, and then the fifth step says add the product to solve. So I have 2,800 plus 210 plus 80 plus 6. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 6 is 6. 0 plus 1 plus 8 is 9. 8 plus 2 is 10. Carry my 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. So my answer is 3,096. My next problem is 69 times 43. So I have to circle the greater factor. So 69 is worth more. So I'm going to write the greater factor and extend from across the top. So 60 plus 9, and notice that space I left. I have a finger space in between. You can have more than a finger space. Okay, write the smaller or less factor in expanded form on the outer left. So 40 plus 3. And again, I'm leaving a finger space. Okay, I'm going to draw my box. I see a plus sign, so I draw it down. I see a plus sign, so I go across. Okay, now I'm going to write each equation in the corresponding place values and then find the product for each. So 40 times 60 goes here. 4 times 6 is 24 and 1, 2 zeros. 9 and 40 goes here. 9 times 4 is 36 and 1 0, so 360. 3 and 60 goes right here. 3 times 6 is 18 and 1 0. And then 3 times 9 goes here. That's 27. And then my final step says to add the products to solve. So 2,400 plus 180 plus 360 plus 27. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 7 is 7. 0 plus 8 is 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. Plus 2 is 16. Carry the 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 2 plus nothing is 2. So I have my answer of 2,967. Okay, we're going to get out our guided practice. So you're getting out your pencil again. Have my steps out, green pens out. So circle the greater one, 38 or 27. 38 is bigger. So I'm going to write that factor in expanded form across the top. So I have 30 plus 8. Now I'm going to look at the next step. It says write the smaller or lesser factor in expanded form on the outer left. So that's 27. So 20 plus 7. I need to draw my box. Whenever I see a plus sign, I like to draw my line. Here's another line. And now write each equation in the corresponding place value section and find the product of each. So 20 times 30. 2 times 3 is 6 and 1, 2 zeros. So 620 times 8 is 80. And then 30 times 7. 3 times 7 is 21 and 1 0, and then 8 and 7 is 56. And now the final step says to add the products to solve. So I have 600 plus 210 plus 80 plus 56. 0 plus 0 plus 6 is 6. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. Carry the 1. 1 plus 6 plus 2 is 9. So I get the answer of 946. Okay, second problem. Circle the greater factor. Write that one across the top in expanded form. So 30 plus 6. Notice my spaces. And then I have 17. So 10 plus 7. Draw my box. Plus sign, draw a line, plus sign, draw a line across. Now I multiply. 10 times 30 is 300. 10 times 6 is 60. 7 times 30. 7 times 3 is 21, plus 1 0. Okay, and then 7 times 6 is 42. Now I need to add my products. So 300 plus 210 plus 60 plus 42. Okay, 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2 is 2. 0 plus 1 is 1. Plus 6 is 7. Plus 4 is 11. 1 plus 3 is 4. Plus 2 is 6. So my answer is 612. Okay, you have 2 homework problems. I'm going to pause there for just a second, so if you don't have it, you still can do them, and you're rating your understanding. Hope you have a wonderful evening.